Hi kids, welcome to our channel. Today we will start making
11
to 20. Let's get started. We will have so much fun.
Hey kids, just like Rofan mentioned, today we will make number block 11 to 20. So no more waiting, let's get started. So here is the making of number block 11. So Rofan just took 10 white blocks and then one red block to make number block 11. So he's stacking the red block on top of the 10th block. And here he is putting the faceplates for the eyes, mouth, and another faceplate. And now it's time to put the number link, which is number 11. And number 11 is on top of it. And then your number block 11 is ready. Next is number block 12. So you need 10 number block, 10 white blocks. And then you need 2 orange blocks. So the 2 orange blocks, it goes in between the 10 number block, and it's a rectangular shape. And here Rafan is putting the face plates, the eyes and the mouth, and then in the blank he's putting the orange plate, and that's your number block 12. Next is number block 13. So you need 10 white blocks in a rectangular shape, and you need 3 yellow blocks which will go on the side to make the number block 13. Put now.
But I can't do it like that.
Okay, Ammu can help you. Maybe Ammu can push you.
No.
Okay, you just pretend that this is there and then you push it. You can do it. You're a big boy.
I am a little bit big.
Okay,
Because I'm not as big as you.
Okay, Ammu can help you. A little bit of push. See, you did it. Yay. Okay, now 14. Next is number block 14. So for 14, you need 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. So stack the green blocks on top of the white blocks. Put your helmet on the number 14. Put the face plates, the eyes, and the mouth. And then the next step would be looking for the skateboard. Yes, 14 has very unique. It has a skateboard and a helmet. And you put together, it's sometimes a little difficult when you put the faceplate because they are very strong. So your number block 14 is ready. Next will be number block 15, which is a step squat. Yes, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is number 15. Yes, so you take 10 white blocks and 5 cyan or blue blocks. Put your faceplates and number link, and that's your number block 15. 15 is ready. The next number block is number block 16. So you need 10 white blocks and 6 indigo blocks to make number block 16. So all you have to do, put the 6 blocks on at the bottom, and then put the white at the side and on the top. And then you put your face plates, the face, the eyes, and the mouth, and put your number link on top of 16. And your number block 16 is ready to roll. Next is number block 17. So you need 10, again 10 blocks, white blocks. And now you need 7 wonderful color of the rainbow. So put all the rainbow colors around number block 10, and your number block 17 is ready here. The next number is number block 18, where you need 10 white blocks and 8 magenta block. Just put or stack the 8 block around the 10 block, just like an L shape, and your number block 18 will be ready very easily. So after that, you put your faceplate, the 2 eyes and mouth, and your number link on top of it. Your number 18 is ready in a happy pose, and it's again a rectangle. So the next number block is number block 19. Making 19 is not that difficult because you just stack 10 white block and 9 gray color block and stack them and put your number link, the 2 eyes with eyebrows, and then mouth, and your number block 19 will be easily met. So here is number block 19. The next number block is number block 20, which is made by stacking two light orange color tall blocks side by side, and then you put your two eyes, and then at the bottom put the bow ties, and at the middle you just put the mouth, and your number block 20 is made. A special hat is added on top, which is purple in color, and then the number link. So here is your number block 20. Thanks for watching.